Welcome back, everyone. As we head in toward your July the 4th, hopefully you've got some plans in play, and it's going to include some outdoor activities because our weather is going to be absolutely fabulous for tomorrow. Pretty close to near seasonal for what a July the 4th should feel like across the Concho Valley. Let's show you what's going on with that planner for tomorrow. Might start off the morning off with a few clouds out there at about 73 degrees, but you'll notice throughout the day we're not going to see any threat of any cloud cover or anything like that across the area, and certainly no rainfall. Just basically some nice warm temperatures as we go throughout the period. 10 o'clock in the morning, lots of sunshine again and 82 degrees, getting close to 90 degrees by the time lunchtime rolls around at 89 tomorrow. Maybe taking in some of that barbecue or those hot dogs or whatever you got going for that July 4th activity. And then by 2 o'clock, 95 degrees, lots of sunshine out there. And to close out the afternoon, as you get ready for those fireworks into the evening hours, we're talking 98 degrees at about 4 o'clock and setting up for a great looking evening out there across the Concho Valley. Now, over the next several days, what do we expect our temperatures to do? Well, we are actually going to see an upward trend as we go throughout the period, with much warmer temperatures headed our way into the 100s by the time Saturday rolls around. 97 for today is what we talked about there. 98 tomorrow, and there's the increase taking place by Wednesday up to 100 degrees. Again, 100 degrees on Thursday, and then those temperatures warming up even more as we make our way to Friday with hot conditions out there at about 102 for the afternoon. Now a check as to what's going on with our planner. If we had to sum it up over the next several days to come, this is the way we would go about doing it. We're going to talk about a cooler first half of the week as we move throughout the forecast period, with July the 4th looking very seasonal out there for tomorrow. A gradual warming trend taking place with those temperatures really starting to climb as we make our way toward the weekend back into the 100s with some of that warmer weather. So you'll need to use lots of precautions when you're out there working or playing in the outdoors. Keep in mind that your body can actually overheat really quick if you're not very careful. As far as wind speeds go, they are fairly light over most of the Concho Valley. Off to the west and southwest, they increase a little bit more, but even then, they're probably at about the 5 to 10 mile per hour range and still staying within reason of being certainly not too bad a situation. Big picture of the United States, not much off to the west. A few showers over here toward the east coast, and then the central part of the country. We're noticing just a few clouds and showers down toward the central and southern portions of the state of Texas. But again, a very quiet weather pattern. For tonight, upper 60s to the north, 70s and mid 70s to the south as we look for those overnight lows, and then warming things up tomorrow into the 80s and 90s by lunchtime. And then late in the day, the entire Concho Valley is into the 90s. So here is Futurecast showing you some cloud cover basically rolling on through, and then we're going to go ahead and check that forecast as we move forward throughout the period. 73 for the overnight low tonight, 98 for tomorrow, lots of sunshine, and then the 5 to 7 day forecast. We start to really warm things up into the 100s Wednesday and Thursday, 102 and 104 by Saturday, 105 on Sunday, and staying into the mid 100s into next week. That's the weather. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be back after these messages.